Hey guys, today we're diving into Weino Sky Blue 8900 air spring gun. It is specially designed for professional automotive painting. It looks like that. Now let me introduce each part one by one. First, come to our adjustment. It is air control adjustment. It is paint fluid adjustment. And this part is pattern ways adjustment. Now let's come to our air cap. Our air cap is made of brass. Nozzle and needle are all made of stainless steel. Very durable and easy for clean. The standard nozzle size of this gun is 1.3. It also has equipped with a 500 milliliter plastic cup. The recommended working pressure of this gun is 2.5 bar 35 psi. Now let me connect the air compressor to show you its optimization performance.